We're gonna swing around and show you the first designer tree in Treetops Glisten, and this is the one that we're calling gold. Now, you maybe think gold, that's not gold like midnight clear. This is a very soft gold. I would call this a champagne gold, but I love these long stems with these tentacles that come out that are decorated to shine the light. The angel on the tree is just beautiful. I like that she's not glittery herself, but she's got a little shimmer and a little shine, and she's got a lot of detail on her dress down at the bottom. There's different glass trees as ornaments here. This one is a very, very light gold, very light gold. This one is a deeper gold. They come in two different sizes. Of course, this one's the large one, the small one, but they have the finishes in both of the sizes. So you could get the darker gold or you could get the lighter gold. The leaves on the stem pieces are here. The tinsel snowflake is here. The clip-on flame LED light we're going to talk about in a second is a brand new Melrose product, and it is fabulous. I'm going to show you this. We saw it on the tree right here. You can see that you can just put them on and off very easy. This one is flaming and going pretty well. It's the same technology that you have in our FIA lanterns, but it's in the little bitty light. And so right now we've got the big fluorescent lights on, but when you tear down your house lights and you see this, it flames exactly like the lantern lights in the back. In the bottom, they have like a little hexagon pattern, and this is how it sticks onto your clippy. So you'll have it on your clippy, which this one is glued to paper. You would stick it right on there, or if you want to take it off and you want to build some other kind of display, you can put it in a stand. Your kit's going to come with clips and stands, and it's going to come with, well, it says right here on the paper, but it's got this suction cup that can go on glass inside of your lantern. How many of you are decorating inside of your lanterns? It sits right on the hexagon firmly, and you can put it on a mirror, you can put it on your windows, you can put it inside the glass in your lanterns. I think this is a trending product. This is fantastic, and of course it's a Melrose exclusive. This is our second tree that is astonishing, and this one we hooked up with our FIA lights. These are not the flame lights, these are our regular ones. With a remote, you can just clip them right on to any of your displays. You turn on the whole tree at the same time, on, off, wonderful. And then everything here is going to have a silver tone to it. So we're looking at the ornaments with the silver tone and the rhinestones. So the gold is kind of faded to the background, and everything is put together with silver. Now, I like this ornament up here because it's dimensional and textured. See how the design kind of comes out on the side? And this is it in an orb as well. Gorgeous one. The magnolias are ice crusted. They have a lot of jewels on their leaves to reflect light. And then the silver stems are coming out of the tree, and the ice covered stems. Silver here and ice covered.